Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to live stream on Twitch using OBS Studio in 2025. If this video helped you out in any sort of way, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. So the first thing you want to do is once you've opened up OBS Studio, you want to go to the plus sign in the bottom left and then create a new scene. After that, in the same plus section over in sources, you want to create three things. You want to make a video capture device with the settings either as set to whatever webcam you may have, if it's built in, or you can use OBS's webcam. You can then select any sort of device and graphical changes you'd like to hear, but I'd recommend leaving on default for the time being until you've seen how your screen looks. Then press OK, and you can adjust where your webcam is on the screen. You then want to add a display capture with your correct monitor selected, and then you can see it in the background. Then you want to make an audio input capture with the correct microphone so that your mic will be picked up in this section here that can be adjusted through audio. After you've done that, you want to head over to settings so we can link our Twitch account to our OBS Studio. So what you want to do is you want to go to Twitch in the service and you want to have a screen here that says stream key, and what you want to do is you want to click get stream key. If that pop-up isn't there, what you want to do is type in twitch.tv, sign into your Twitch account, head over to settings, go to settings on this side here if you want, and then click stream so that you get this screen where you can copy your primary stream key and then head over here, paste it there, and then click OK. After that, you can adjust your settings in the other tabs to make sure your output is correct and the bit rates are functionable, because some bit rates might not look good. You want to make sure it's at least 6,000, and to check if you have a good internet speed, you can run a speed test. If that's all good, you can click start streaming and it should automatically link your Twitch and you'll go live as soon as you click the button. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.